La Rochelle, located on the Bay of Biscay, has been a significant seaport since the Middle Ages, and it's still steeped in that maritime legacy today. The city's 14th century towers stand watch over its bustling harbour, a perfect blend of history and coastal beauty. Its old port, surrounded by medieval fortifications, invites you to step back in time while offering a relaxing atmosphere to explore. So, what makes this port town so unique? What hidden treasures lie tucked away along its cobbled streets? Stick around till the end, and we'll uncover these hidden gems together, showing you how to experience the best of this unforgettable city. Arrival and getting into the city. As your ship docks at Port Atlantique La Rochelle, you'll find that you're just a short 5 kilometers from the heart of the city. Getting to the main attractions is easy, with shuttle buses that take you straight to the old port in about 15 minutes. You'll be dropped off at Place de Verdun or near the Vieux Port, the city's charming centre. For a more scenic route, consider renting a bike at the port. The ride into town is beautiful and straightforward, giving you a glimpse of the coastal landscape as you go. Alternatively, taxis and private transfers are always available if you prefer a quicker, more comfortable option. If you're keen to avoid the crowds, getting there early is a great idea. The old port tends to get busier as the day goes on, so starting your day with a peaceful coffee at one of the harbour cafes can really set the tone for a relaxing visit. Things to do in La Rochelle. Once you step into La Rochelle, you'll quickly see why this place feels like stepping back in time. The old port, Vieux Port, is where it all begins. 3 mighty medieval towers stand proudly, once used to defend the city from pirates and invaders. The most famous of these is the Tour de la Chaîne, a fortress that still holds traces of its past. Visitors can climb the stairs of these towers for panoramic views of the harbour and city. The Tour Saint-Nicolas, another impressive structure, has a spiral staircase that leads you through centuries of maritime history. It's like walking through a living museum. Each step takes you deeper into the past. Beyond the towers, the old town is a maze of cobbled streets, secret squares, and hidden courtyards. Every corner seems to reveal something new, whether it's a tiny cafe serving up buttery croissants or a boutique selling handmade soaps. The atmosphere here is everything. You could easily spend hours wandering, just soaking in the charm. Then there's the La Rochelle Cathedral, or Cathédrale Saint-Louis. This neoclassical beauty was completed in the 19th century, and its grandeur stands in sharp contrast to the medieval buildings around it. Take a moment to step inside. The architecture will leave you breathless, and you'll find a sense of quiet amidst the bustle. And if you're a foodie or love a good market, make sure to visit the Marché Central, the central market located not far from the cathedral. The market is alive with the colours and smells of fresh local produce, cheeses, pastries, and of course, seafood. It's a great spot to taste La Rochelle's famed oysters or pick up a few souvenirs to take home. Food and local flavours. Speaking of food, La Rochelle is a paradise for seafood lovers. The city's coastal location means fresh fish, oysters, and mussels are always on the menu. But it's not just about the seafood. La Rochelle offers a mix of regional flavours that you can't find anywhere else in France. Start with the oysters. They're fresh, briny, and absolutely delicious. You'll find them served simply, with a wedge of lemon or a splash of white wine vinegar. Don't forget to try the mussels as well, often cooked in a flavourful broth or served with a touch of garlic. But there's more. Pinot de Charente is a local sweet wine, perfect for sipping before a meal or as an aperitif. It's fruity, refreshing, and pairs perfectly with the fresh seafood. Then you've got galettes, savoury buckwheat crepes stuffed with everything from ham and cheese to seafood. These are hearty and satisfying, and they make for the perfect lunch on a relaxed day in La Rochelle. And if you've got a sweet tooth, make sure to try a traditional French dessert, perhaps a fresh fruit tart or a crêpe au caramel beurre salé. La Rochelle is a city that celebrates both its coastal roots and its culinary traditions. Optional experiences. If you're looking for something a bit different, La Rochelle has some excellent optional experiences that will give you a fresh perspective on this stunning city. A boat ride around the harbour or to Fort Boyard is one of the most popular things to do. Fort Boyard is an iconic offshore fortress that's been featured on French television for decades. You'll get great views of the towers and La Rochelle's coastline, plus the adventure of seeing this famous fort up close. For those fascinated by maritime history, the Musée Maritime is a must-visit. It's home to several historic ships and exhibits showcasing La Rochelle's seafaring past. You'll get to see restored vessels, models of ships, and artifacts that tell the story of the city's relationship with the sea. If you've been to La Rochelle before, or are looking for a bit of an escape, consider a day trip to Ile de Ré. It's a peaceful island just a short drive away, known for its whitewashed houses, bike paths, and artisanal markets. Perfect for a quieter experience away from the city. Shopping and local finds. La Rochelle's Old Town is also a great place to shop for unique, locally made items. The boutiques tucked under the historic stone arcades offer everything from hand-painted ceramics to gourmet food products. If you're after a souvenir, look for locally bottled Pinot de Charente, artisan soaps or perfumes made from regional flowers. There are also nautical-themed gifts, perfect for remembering the sea and your time in La Rochelle. Don't forget to pick up some gourmet mustard, salt, or caramel products. They're a great gift for food lovers back home. Practical tips. La Rochelle is a charming, easy-to-explore city, but there are a few things to keep in mind to make the most of your visit. First off, you'll be using the euro, so having some cash for smaller purchases is a good idea, though cards are widely accepted. French is the local language, but don't worry, English is commonly spoken in tourist areas, so communication shouldn't be an issue. When it comes to getting around, you'll find that La Rochelle's cobblestone streets give the city its old-world charm. But they can be a bit tough on your feet, so be sure to wear supportive shoes to keep comfortable while you explore. As for the weather, the coastal breeze can make even the summer air feel a bit cooler than expected, so it's worth packing a light jacket just in case. Lastly, getting from the port to the city centre is quick and easy. Shuttle buses or taxis take just 15 to 20 minutes to get you to the heart of the action, so you can jump straight into the adventure without wasting any time. La Rochelle isn't loud or flashy. It's not a place for big crowds or non-stop activity. But maybe that's what makes it so special. It's elegant, relaxed, and perfectly captured by the blend of history and coastal charm. Whether you're standing atop a medieval tower, savouring fresh oysters at a harbourside cafe, or just wandering the old town, La Rochelle offers a slice of French life you won't find anywhere else. If you've enjoyed this guide, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more amazing travel tips, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Drop a comment below. What part of La Rochelle are you most excited to experience? We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Bon voyage, and we'll see you in the next port.